Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna do the JLT cash can review. Well, not a review, we're just gonna check and see how much oil it built up. See, it's been on there for around close to 3,000 miles. So we're gonna pull it off and see how much oil accumulated. See, I don't know if you can see. You can see the oil. Yeah, I know a lot of people say these things don't work, but it's been working. It's doing its job. Alright, so see, we're gonna dump this oil in here. It's not a lot, but still accumulates some. Gonna put it back on, and we're gonna keeping an eye on it. Alright guys, so it's back on, and I'll keep you guys updated on the JLT cash can. Cause so far it's been doing its job, you know. This is the second time I dumped it out. The first time I probably had a little bit more. Probably this time I haven't been flooring it as much. So yeah, so you guys have a good one then.